One thing I noticed when working with many students preparing for PSLE or O-level is this. Many of them, they are actually very capable. They attend classes, they complete their homework, they study hard, but deep down, many of them quietly feel something like this. I'm not good enough. That lack of belief can affect how they approach studying, challenges, and even in their future. So today I want to talk about why many students struggle with that confidence. First of all, fear of failure. Major exams can feel like a very big moment in a student's life. Students hear things like, this exam determines your future. You must do well. This result is very important. When students hear this repeatedly, they may start seeing mistakes as something very dangerous. Instead of thinking, hey, this is something I can improve, they begin to think, if I fail this, it means that I'm not good enough. Hey, this fear can make students avoid difficult questions, hesitate to ask for help, and become anxious during exam. Sound like it, right? And sometimes the fear of failure becomes bigger than the learning itself. Another reason why students lose their confidence is comparison. Hey, you do better than my neighbor. Oh, my neighbor do better than you. Or something like that, or within the whole school community. But in school, students are constantly surrounded by peers. They may see classmates who seem to understand concepts clearly, score higher marks, answer questions confidently, and naturally, students will start comparing within themselves. They might think, everyone else understands this concept except me. I might be slower than anyone else. But what students often don't see is that everyone's learning journey is different. Some students develop confidence earlier, some develop it later. Comparison can make capable students feel like they're falling behind, even when they're still progressing. And the third factor is academic pressure. Many students feel pressure from multiple directions. Pressure from school, expectations, or even from themselves. Students often want to make their parents proud, but when the pressure becomes too heavy, it can affect how students see themselves. Instead of learning out of curiosity, they begin to study mainly out of fear. And studying under fear can slowly drain confidence and motivation. So why confidence matter? Because it affects how a student approaches challenges. A confident student is more likely to attempt difficult questions, try again after making mistakes, ask questions when they don't understand. But when students lose confidence, they may start avoiding challenges. They might procrastinate, or they may stop trying as hard because they might feel discouraged. So confidence is not just about how students feel. It directly affects how they learn. The good news is that confidence can be rebuilt. One important step is helping students understand that learning is a process. Every student improves at a different pace. Mistakes are part of learning journey. Another important step is helping students discover their strengths. Every student has area where they naturally perform better. When students begin to recognize their strength and building on them, confidence slowly grows again. And once confidence returns, many students approach learning with a very different mindset. So O-levels, PSLE, streaming, they are important stages in students' life, but they do not define a person's worth or potential. The most important thing is helping students develop that confidence to face challenges, learn mistakes, and continue growing. Because in the long run, the students who succeed are not always the one who never fail. They are the one who keeps believing that they can improve. So remember to like, share and subscribe, and share this video with some parents, and share this video with someone who might need this advice. Alright, so we'll see you in the next one. And for those who are taking PSLE or O-levels or any major exams, remember, you can do it. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.